These are spy angler frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. First thing you're going to do is pull on the top part of the frame and push down on the lens. The lens should pop out fairly easily, and then just repeat. Now, to install the lenses, you're going to take the right side or the far side of the lens and put it into the grooves on the far side of the frame. You want to make sure that it fits snugly inside the groove, and then you're just going to push the other sides in. Again, put the far side of the lens into the far side of the frame. Make sure that the lens fits in the grooves snugly, and then you just push and push, and that's it.